Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to create group chat on Instagram. Instagram lets you create a group chat and send messages to some of your friends at once. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Click on the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of the screen. As soon as the Direct Messages section opens, press on the Write a New Message icon in the upper right corner. After that, use the search bar to find the users you want to add, or scroll through the list of suggested users and hit the circles next to their names in order to add them. Once you select the people, hit the chat icon in the top right corner and send the first message. Otherwise, the group will not be created. Then you can name the group. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create group chat on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.